Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Stata is open and the command window is active. Type the folder path exactly, using quotes if it contains spaces. Now run cd/c \data projects or cd/home/username/data on Mac OS/Linux. Once done, check with pwd to verify the current directory. Make sure to use forward slashes on Unix-like systems and backslashes on Windows. Otherwise, Stata may not locate files. This gets you into the correct folder immediately so you can load or save data. You can also use the GUI. Go to File, then change Working Directory and pick the folder visually. This is handy when you're unsure of the exact path. For reproducible projects, set a line in your profile. Do or define a global macro like global projdir, C, \data projects, and then cd projdir. Once done, Stata will use that path for future sessions if you save it. Make sure to distinguish between local and global macros to avoid scope problems. You finish by confirming success. Run pwd to print the working directory and dir or ls to list files. If cd fails, check spelling, ensure quotes surround paths with spaces, and use the correct / direction for your OS. Also verify you have read permissions. If a script runs from another folder, prefer absolute paths to avoid ambiguity. One key troubleshooting tip: if permissions block access, run Stata with appropriate rights, or move the folder to a location with standard user permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.